just a sister thing. And I am Kala, and this is my little crafty corner where I work on journals and tags and all kinds of fun things like that. So currently I'm making this journal right now using a lot of the Louise Heinzel prints. And it's a small journal, and it is, I think it's 2 signatures. It is 2 signatures with kind of a semi-soft cover. But I wanted to work on one particularly bright page today, this one, because the opposite side of it is a real pretty coloring page. So I wanted to make sure that this side matches this facing page. So I'm going to go ahead and just play with it today and film at the same time, and I'm going to go ahead and just simply fast forward because there doesn't need to be a lot of instruction here. It's just whimsy, and whatever comes to me is what I'm going to do. And so the first thing I'm going to do is just clamp down my pages, and I'm going to get to work. So it's a little wet. I can't do a whole lot more with it. I've tried to dry it, and it doesn't want to respond to that either. Probably because it's acrylics and not just the gesso. But I think you kind of get the drift that creating a page inside in a more artistic way is relatively easy to do. And I'm going to let it dry. I'm probably going to add some lace down here. Actually, I can probably do that while that's wet. I have this cool little piece of crochet, and I keep trying to use it, but I never have a big enough page for it. So that got rejected. Okay, I'm back. I found this very cool stretchy piece of fabric that I've had forever, and I thought, well, that would be a nice little accent on that page. And I think what I'm going to do is finger smush so that I don't get little globs coming through the fabric. Oh, thought I lost it for a minute there. And it kind of has this cool metallic thread going through it. So it matches nicely with my little butterfly wings, which are also metallic. I did not go over far enough. Thank God, Fabri-Tac has a little wait time for you. Okay, so that is a little quickie journal spread, because both pages are in the same color family, and I'm picking up the purple lace from behind, and I've got the greens, and it all is very cohesive. When my little spots here dry, I have a journal card that fits up inside there, and I'm going to just keep plugging along on this little tiny journal, and it's going to be in my Etsy shop, so I will announce it and do a flip through when we get closer to the end. Thanks for stopping by today.